Hi guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to add a recap with my mod Crafting Manager. I'm sorry for my German accent. Yes. Okay. When you join in the world, you see these two messages. It says here how much recaps are disabled and how much recaps were added to the game. So I type in the command Crafting Manager, and you see this little GUI. You already know this, but I want to show you this part of my mod. I just click here, and now we have this type of screen. So I will add some senseless recaps just to show you how this is working. And so let's start. I'm doing some stuff with cobblestone. You just drag in a cobblestone, and then you can select what is needed for this item. Is it an ore? It could be cobblestone. This is important for other mods who add different kinds of cobblestones. Then is damage needed, stack size needed, and NVD data needed. Now I just want to add a simple crafting recipe, and I only use one just to show this a little bit more comfortable. So I'm going to do this for every. So when I click on this GUI opens again, and I can select and edit the data. I can also remove this, and I'm sorry for that glitch that this item's shown up in front of this GUI. Hopefully we can fix this soon. So okay, let's go on. So as I finish this, I will say you get 4 cobblestone from this. I just drag this in there, and yes, I would say this is a shaped recap, just normal shaped ores with ores, and save it. So I have one recap, and this is this recap, and when I go to the next page is in another empty recap, and I'm just going to add, wait a second, just to show you that this also works. So I say that it needs the stack size, and drag in another 3, you get this from, and you always go to the, ooh, that's a fail, and you always go to the next page to add a new recap, and that's a little bug. I have to remove this. Okay, I didn't know this bug was there. Okay. Now I know it. So okay, then we close this, and we have received 2 new added recaps. So I'm going to set up a crafting table here, and we test the crafting recaps. So okay, there's the 4 cobblestone. So if I'm going to push 3 at once in this slot, the crafting recap work. But yes, there are some bugs. I have to fix this. But if you only do it like this, and the workbench doesn't update it, so it won't work. You have to update the workbench by just click it in, and then it only updates. But it only tracks only 1 cobblestone away. So this is more easy recaps. But you could also use more complicated ones like NVD data. So I could say that you only use a broken one broken diamond sword for this crafting recap. So I'm going to type in this. So another recap, and I drag this in and say it needs the damage, and you get a new one. Just a random idea of a recap. So if I drag this in, it won't work, but when I drag the one broken damage word, it works. So this is kind of how you do it. You can also enable NVD data for it, stack size, I told you, and or this could be important for wood or something like that. And yes, NBD data for custom mods, and for example about random additions. For some items they have custom NBD data for different batteries, so you could say that this battery with full charge is used for this crafting recipe. And yes, that's pretty much how it works. Hopefully you understand me, and bye.